Hi everyone, look at what I got. Finally it arrived. Actually, it arrived a couple of days ago, but I didn't notice that it was there. It was actually sitting in my living room, but because it doesn't have the pink cover, I didn't think it was for me. I thought it was something that my daughter had ordered for her. And she comes to me and she's like, Mommy, that box, it's yours, right? I think that's the stuff that comes from Ireland. I'm like, really? Where did it come in? And she's like, well, it's sitting over there. And I'm like, oh my gosh. I didn't think it was mine. Again, because it was not in the pink little wrapping thing. So let's open this. Let's see what's inside. It's a bigger box than usual. It's heavy, heavier than the other ones. Regular box, think pink subscription box. This is nice and it's not damaged like my second, well, it's a little bit here, but not damaged as my second box. This box is definitely bigger than my other one. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, it has the little card and it's nicely wrapped. So this card here, it says sweater weather. Right there, it's nice and pretty. Sweater weather. Now let me put my glasses so I can see. Okay, scan this product to check the ebook. December Sewscription box number 23. This month contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 4 colorways. Wow, 4 colorways. So far, my first box was 1 colorway. The second, I think it was 2 colorways. The third was also 2 colorways. So this one is 4, so let's see. Let's see what comes in this box. All right, so I'm just gonna rip it because there's no way around it. All right, what is this? Hot chocolate. Cadbury hot chocolate. Never had this before, but I will have some hot chocolate. Hopefully we're gonna get some colder nights. I don't know, because usually we have the cold in the end of December, beginning of January, so we're kind of leaving that. Hopefully we won't have it anymore. And this is Anya Candles Luxury Home Aromas. I wonder if this is a wax, one of those melt things, because I don't see a wick. It says candles on it. Let's see. Oh, it smells of chocolate. Oh, it's a little melt because it does not have a wick. So that's the little melt. And it smells of chocolate. And there's 6 little things in here. 6 little buds. It looks like a little rose, a little flower. That is so pretty. It'll be nice to put in my little melt things. I do have like, I have 2 of those. What else is in here? Ooh. Organic trimmings, organic bias tape. Well, there you go. Some bias tape. I didn't know they made organic, and I think it's knit. It is knit. I have never seen that before. Huh, that's interesting. So by the color, you can see this one here. This is the color of the thread. Right there. So you have an inkling of what color I'm gonna pull out of here. Wow. This is my color, I'll tell you. I am so happy with this. You guys have no idea. Let me just throw this box away. Look at this color. As you know, I love blue. Look at this. It's a rib knit, but it's nice and soft. It's not one of those rib knits that for the neck bands or anything like that. Look at this, nice and flowy. Wow, what I am going to do with this. Look at this. Actually, this color reminds me of the color of my Metro Blazer. My Metro Blazer, I think it's a little bit deeper. And this is a little bit lighter because of the ribbing. I think you can see. So nice and soft. I won't go through my face because I have makeup. But it's nice and soft. Wow, look at this. You know what? Maybe I can do a lightweight cardigan, maybe with this. I would do that, yeah, because here in Florida it's not that cold. So I need lightweight cardigans. When it gets a little bit on the cool side, I can put something on top. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to search for a cardigan pattern, and I might just do that because it's a lot. I'm trying to hold the whole thing up. Wow, I am extremely, extremely happy. So I had to stop, of course, and go and show it to my daughter, and she was like, wow, that is so nice. And I told her that I wanted to do a cardigan, and she's like, why don't you just make a sweater for you? I'm like, no, I don't wear sweaters, because if I get hot, then how can I take the whole thing out and just what the heck I'm gonna be under? So the plan is to do a cardigan with this fabric, nice and pretty, and it doesn't have any pattern to the fabric. It's nice, it's plain color, so we'll go with a lot of things in my closet, so that is nice. So thank you, Andrea, for another great box. I am very, very happy with this nice fabric here. Okay guys, I hope to do this soon. I still have not done anything with the fabric from box number 22. That's a very lightweight fabric, so I was debating what I was going to do, and I haven't decided yet, so it's in the closet right now. So I am going to add this yardage to my spreadsheet. As you know, I am keeping track of everything that comes out and everything that goes out and everything that comes in to my sewing stash. And I know I said that I wasn't going to buy anything. I was going to try not to buy anything, but I did not want to cancel my subscription to the Think Pink Sewscription box. So every month I'm still going to get my little box, but I think I'm going to be able to keep on my goal of sewing a lot of stuff that's in my closet. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.